The Stochastic Oscillator, it's a momentum indicator. It displays two lines, the %K and the %D. And these lines oscillate between 0 and 100 with readings above 80, indicating overbought, below 20 shows oversold. When that %K line crosses above the %D line, it signals potential bullish momentum. On the flip side of that, when the %K crosses below %D, it suggests bearish. However, these signals alone are not enough for reliable trading decisions. Regular divergence. This occurs when price movement contradicts the stochastic indicator. So if price is making higher highs, but the stochastic oscillator is showing lower highs, this is bearish divergence. And it could signal a potential trend reversal, but in the very least, it's showing a lack of momentum. At the same time, bullish divergence is when price makes lower lows, but the stochastics is showing higher lows. Hidden divergence. This helps identify trend continuation opportunities. When you're in an uptrend, look for price making higher lows, while the stochastics is showing lower lows. In a downtrend, look for price to make lower highs and the stochastics to make higher highs. For a successful trading strategy, you have to combine these signals with something such as support and resistance levels, or longer-term trend lines. Wait for price action confirmation through trend line breaks or candlestick patterns before entering a trade. It doesn't have to get more complicated than that. And the most powerful setup, this occurs when divergence happens near key support or resistance levels, accompanied by clear price action confirmation. You have to remember that no indicator, no matter what it is, does not work in isolation. The stochastic oscillator and the divergence patterns it gives you are most effective when you use it alongside other technical analysis tools, such as price action and trend lines like we talked about, and of course, proper risk management.
Everything discussed here is our opinion, and it is not to be taken as investment advice because we are not your financial advisor, nor have we considered your personal situation as your fiduciary. This presentation is for your education and entertainment only. Please review NetPicks' full risk disclaimer and privacy policy.